Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. When a person is about to die, what would be the last thing he would see? The angel of death with a very, very powerful and strong weapon, a sword, and he will not hold back. He will strike the person with the sword so hard that the person's soul will come out. That is how it happens when a person dies. But there are certain major signs that will appear when the day of judgment is near. So today, we will discuss 3 major signs. Sign No. 1 is the earth will shake. There will be an earthquake so powerful, so strong that mountains will fall and the whole earth will tremble, and people will say, "This is the end, this is the end, this is the final earthquake." And in reality, it is the beginning of the end. Because after that, the first group of people will enter paradise, and the first group of people will enter hell. And those who are destined to go to hell, they will not be able to enter yet, because the gates of hell will be closed for 40 days, and the people who are saved, they will be gathered together in a place called Haran, right at the edge of Mecca. They will be gathered there until everybody is gathered. So the earth will shake. Why? Because 2 major destructive forces will come out. Number 1 is Dajjal, the son of perdition, and number 2, Ya'juj and Ma'juj. We have discussed them in previous videos. The second sign is the rising of the sun from the west. As a Muslim, we believe that the sun actually sets in the west and rises from the east. That is a fact, that is a reality, that is what we observe every day. But on the day of judgment, the course of nature will change. The sun will set in the east and rise from the west. When the sun rises from the west, all the people will be shaken. They will be terrified. They will say, "What is going on? What is happening?" Because everything is being turned upside down. That is a sign. That is a major sign that the day of judgment has begun. And the third sign is the most important sign. It is the coming of a great leader. His name is Al-Mahdi. We have done a lot of videos concerning the Mahdi. May Allah hasten his coming. The Mahdi will appear when the fitna and the tribulation increases. People will be fighting one another. Brothers and sisters will not know what to do. They will not know who to follow. So the Mahdi will come and people will rally around him. He is the leader of the people, especially the Muslims, and he will lead them to victory. He will fight against the Dajjal and his army, and he will defeat the Dajjal and establish peace and security on earth. Then, after that, there will be Salah, the prayer, and after the prayer, there will be a great feast, a great celebration. Everybody will be happy, dancing, and rejoicing, and then the day of judgment will start. The sky will open, the clouds will gather, and the people will be taken. Their deeds will be written, and they will be taken to either paradise or hellfire. So these are the signs. May Allah protect us from the evil of these signs and grant us the goodness of these signs. And may Allah hasten the coming of the Mahdi, our great leader, and grant us the opportunity to follow him and be among those who fight under his banner. I ask Allah to forgive me and to forgive you. Assalamu alaikum Washington Rahmatullahi Washington Barakatuh.